Yo, what's up guys, Iconic Reviews here, and today we're diving deep into something that's gonna completely transform your daily drive. You know that feeling when you get into your car and it's like stepping into a time machine, but not in a good way? Your phone's running circles around your dashboard tech, your GPS takes forever to load, and that backup camera might as well be a potato. Well, buckle up because I've been testing the HAUXIY 9-inch wireless CarPlay screen for weeks now, and I'm here to tell you why this might be the best $113 you'll ever spend on your car. First impressions matter, and this thing delivers. The moment you unbox it, you can tell it's premium. That 9-inch touchscreen is massive compared to most factory systems, with crisp colors and super responsive controls. But here's the kicker. Installation is stupid easy. No need to be a car audio expert or pay some shop hundreds to install it. Just plug it into your cigarette lighter, sync it with your phone via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, and boom, you're in the future. I tested it in 3 different cars, my buddy's old Civic, my dad's truck, and my own ride, and it worked flawlessly in all of them. Now let's geek out about the features, because this thing is packed. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto means no more fishing for cables every time you get in the car. Your phone connects automatically the moment you start the engine. I've been using it for my commute, and it's a total game changer. Waze pops up instantly, my Spotify playlists are right there, and I can shoot off texts hands-free with Siri. The voice control actually works too, which is more than I can say for some factory systems I've used. But here's where it gets really impressive. That 4K front dash cam isn't just for show. It records in incredible detail, day or night. I compared it side by side with my old dash cam, and the difference is night and day. Literally. The 1080p rear camera with night vision, life-changing for parallel parking in the dark. And that G sensor is smart. It automatically locks footage if it detects a collision, but doesn't freak out over every little bump like some cheaper systems do. Sound quality had me skeptical at first, but I was pleasantly surprised. The built-in speakers are decent for voice navigation and calls, but where it really shines is when you connect it to your car's audio system. Bluetooth audio is crystal clear, and the FM transmitter actually works well, unlike those janky ones you buy at gas stations. I tested it with everything from podcasts to bass-heavy tracks, and it handled it all without distortion. After using it daily for weeks, here's my take. At $113 with that sweet 33% discount, this is an absolute no-brainer. It does everything the $300 plus systems do without the complicated installation. The only downside? You might spend more time in your car just because it's so fun to use now. Seriously, my commute has never been this enjoyable. So, would I recommend it? 100%. Whether you're rolling in a beater or a brand new whip, this upgrade makes sense. Hit that like button if you're tired of outdated car tech, and subscribe for more real-world reviews like this. And, because you made it to the end, here's a cat judging your current stereo setup. Don't let your car tech embarrass you anymore. Upgrade already. Drop a comment below if you want me to test any specific features in depth, or if there's another car gadget you want me to review. Until next time, keep it iconic.